All right, team, let's take a quick look at what I consider to be a perfect entry on a perfect trade. As you can see on last night, I gave a signal to go short on the Euro AUD around 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time last night. Let's take a look at why the signal was given, what I was looking at, and how the trade turned out. As you can see right here, we always start out on the weekly time frame. This is not actually the new level strategy. This is me taking a trade based on continuing momentum to the downside on the weekly. So here's what I mean by continuation of the momentum. If you put in the trend line right here, you'll see on the weekly time frame, price broke the trend line, started to continue to the downside. So we would think price will go ahead and challenge either this level here or another support level down here. But your first exit, if you was to take this trade, would be at this level for around 70 pips. Okay, we were only in the trade. Trade closed out early this morning. We was only in the trade for about 5-6 hours. So it was a short trade in terms of time frame. Okay, so you can see price is going up here, but you can also see divergence in the price. Price is beginning to weaken down here. Okay, so once I noticed the divergence in the price, I also noticed the break of this trend line. I had a good indication that price was going to continue to fall. So let's go down to the daily time frame. Now what you want to see on the daily time frame is essentially the same thing that you're seeing on the weekly time frame. Okay, you just want to use the daily to confirm the weekly in these type of trades. Okay, you can see price continue to go up, but as you can see, price was beginning to weaken, forming a divergence in the market. Alrighty, so here's the trade that we actually took. It was on the 4-hour. Alright, so knowing that I wanted to go short, price was essentially right here. Okay, so I waited for price to pull up, price to pull back into this level around the 36 period moving average for us to go short and ride this market back down for about 70 pips. Okay, now let me put the actual trade on the chart on the screen so you guys can see the trade. So there it is. So we actually put in a sell limit order. Sell limit order at 1.6114. Stop loss was here. Take profit was right here. 70 pips on the trade. Price went up. Perfect entry. It tapped our put us in the trade on the sell limit order. Rode the market right back down. Alrighty. So that was the trade. It was just trading momentum. You still trading in the overall direction of the trend. It was getting a pullback to the 36 period moving average. We knew price had just broken this level right here. So if it came back to the 36, we had a good indication that price would continue in the ways, going down, following that big time momentum, that big time frame momentum. So that's exactly what happened. So I call that a perfect trade. Perfect entry on a perfect trade. Alright guys, have an awesome day.